Hi friends, in previous videos we have covered whole numbers, integers and some of the properties of the integers, right? So briefly we have covered about natural numbers and whole numbers and integers and some of the properties of integers, right? So in today's class we are going to cover about rational numbers. We are going one by one, right? Okay. So in today's class we will cover about rational numbers. So rational numbers, it is some of the small lengthy concept. So it may take some of the classes to complete these rational numbers. Okay, I will discuss all the topics in these rational numbers. So rational number, what is rational number and how we denote it? Okay, we will denote rational number by q. Okay, we will denote rational number by capital Q. Any rational number which is in the form P by Q, okay, which is in the form P by Q, where P comma Q belongs to integers. Okay, any rational number which is in the form P by Q, okay, and where P comma Q belongs to integers and Q is not equal to 0. If this condition is satisfied by any number, then that number is called rational number. Okay, if you see like this, you are unable to understand, right? So I will explain with one example. Okay, example, suppose if you take 2 by 3, okay, 2 by 3. So now here 2 by 3 is nothing but, here p value is 2, q value is 3. Okay, now p by q means 2 by 3. Okay, now you can see p comma q belongs to integers. 2 is integer or not? Yes. 3 is also integer na? So 2 comma 3, two numbers belongs to integers. Integers means I have already told you. Integers means what? Any number from minus infinity to plus infinity. That means all the natural numbers, positive natural numbers, negative natural numbers and including 0. All the numbers will come under integers, right? So here 2 will come under integer, 3 will also come under integer, right? So that's why p comma q, that is nothing but 2 comma 3 belongs to integers. Q should not be equal to 0. Okay, q should not be equal to 0. Now what is the value of q here? 3. Whether it is equal to 0? No. So now the condition is satisfied. Okay, p by q we are written in the 2 by 3 is the example. Okay, p by q form is there, 2 by 3, and p comma q belongs to z. That means 2 comma 3 are the integers and q is not equal to 0. That means q value is 3 here, so 3 is not equal to 0. So that's why this 2 by 3 is called rational number. Okay, 2 by 3 is called rational number. Okay, are you able to get it? So 2 by 3 is called rational number. Always this q should not be equal to 0. Please remember that. This is very important concept. Okay, so this is what rational number is. And we have positive rational numbers, negative rational numbers. Okay, what is positive rational numbers? Okay, what is positive rational numbers? Positive rational numbers. Okay, what is positive rational numbers? Positive rational number is nothing but the above example which I have told you, that is nothing but positive rational number only. That means the numerator and denominator should have positive sign. Okay, or the numerator and denominator should have negative signs. Okay, then also it is positive integer only. Why? Because this minus minus will get cancelled, right? So that's why 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 or minus 2 by minus 3 will come under positive rational number. Clear? That means denominator and numerator should have same signs, either plus or minus, so that it will come under positive rational numbers. Okay, negative rational numbers means what? Negative rational numbers means what? Only one sign in the numerator. Suppose minus in the numerator, plus in the denominator. So minus 2 by 3 is the negative rational number. Similarly, 2 by minus 3 will also come under negative rational number, because overall the value of the rational number is in the negative format. So that's why these values will come under negative rational numbers, these will come under positive rational number. Okay, clear? And you can also have zero rational number. Okay, zero rational number, zero rational numbers are also there. That means 0 by 3, 0 by 5, 0 by minus 2, all these also rational numbers only. 0 by something, always 0 by something is nothing but 0 only, but 0 by 3, 0 by 5, 0 by minus 2, all this comes under rational numbers. Okay, these are zero rational numbers, neither positive nor negative. Okay, but you can't write in this manner. 3 by 0 is not defined. I already told you, here we have clearly mentioned q should not be equal to 0. That means denominator should not be equal to 0. Numerator can be 0. Okay, but denominator should not be equal to 0. If denominator is equal to 0, then it is undefined. It will not come under the rational number, because something by 0 is undefined, right? So that's why it will not come under rational number. Okay, always numerator is 0, then it is acceptable. Okay, denominator should not be 0. So this is not a rational number. These are rational numbers only. Clear? So this is the small introduction about what is rational number, and what is positive rational number, what is negative rational number, and what is zero rational number. I hope you got some clarity. Okay, we will continue the series of these rational numbers also, because it will take some time to complete all the examples and all the concepts of this rational number. Clear? Thank you.